If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Bitcoin video update today. And right now Bitcoin is struggling to get or to even touch $17,000. It's trying the best it can, but today on the daily time frame I noticed that for some reason, I don't know why, we do have a pattern here. This time it's actually a little bit confusing, to be honest with you, because we have the EMAs as your resistance, and someone can even say that we're potentially trying to break out here of something, and you could have a pattern right here. You went up, you moved sideways, you broke out, you came down, and we could have a little bit of this pattern right here, and one can say you're trying to move up to 17,300. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's really tough right now. But can we look at altcoins? Let's do it. Let's look at altcoins. What are the altcoins suggesting? Because whatever the altcoins do, Bitcoin is probably hinting to that. Ethereum, we're going to start off with Ethereum right now. So Ethereum potentially also has the very similar structure as Bitcoin right now. So this can also be bad, okay? This is not like a very good pattern act, to be honest with you. I cannot really say it's going to go up, because when you're just moving sideways like this, you just have good chances to even move low. It's like anything goes from here, okay? Maybe even they could push it a little bit higher and then drop it down. Okay, so that was Ethereum. SHIB actually shows drop for Bitcoin, okay? And I talked about SHIB in yesterday's video. I made a whole update on SHIB. It came down and there's a pennant coming in. SHIB actually shows that Bitcoin should be moving lower because of its bear pennant right there, okay? The next thing that we can talk about as well could be what? What can we talk about? What can we talk? Let's look at Cardano, okay? Because these are the coins that follow Bitcoin. And for some reason, Cardano shows that, hey, I got a pump, and Bitcoin could start to move a little bit higher, because we're looking at this left shoulder right there, the head and the right shoulder. So we do have a little bit of inverse head and shoulders for Cardano, and this is your potentially neckline that you're breaking out of. Let's actually draw it properly and touch the lines here. And yeah, we could still see for a retest of Cardano, and we could see Cardano trying to move a little bit higher, and that, come down here and move 7.26%. okay? Cardano shows a pump for Bitcoin. Let's look at Solana. Solana shows a drop for Bitcoin, because I've talked about Solana in yesterday's video, and that actually looks to move to 10.66 and even $9 and $4. So this one still shows that Bitcoin is in trouble. But you never know if you can actually just try to make this bottom and a double bottom right there as well. It seems like it's trying to do that, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's kind of like making a morning star right there. But anyway, whatever it is, we're gonna see. And for me right now, Bitcoin, it could start January a little bit green, maybe, if that's the interest. But to me personally, I told you before, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin is trying to move up here to this line, backtest the line there, because that is the line that I think was never backtested. And yeah, whatever happens, guys, we're gonna see. Once again, so many factors still show that Bitcoin is going to drop, and the biggest one is Tether dominance. So be careful of the Tether dominance, because I got my all eyes on dominance as well, and that actually shows that in the future, on the weekly time frame, somehow we're bound to still drop to the downside unless we don't get some good invalidations by Bitcoin. I mean, I would say if Bitcoin makes it up to $23,000, we could even be on the conversation of a bottom out. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.